Hi guys, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, February the 3rd, 2021. Yes, the last one is a hard one. Tectonic with 4 stars. How hard? I do not know, but this will be a number 2271. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Yesterday I thought we have 13. Let me check. Let me count how many this one has. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 14 printed digits. So it must be a little bit easier than yesterday. Yesterday it was a hard one. 32 minutes I need to solve that tectonic with 4 stars. All right, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No. Dual boxes. I see here a dual box here, so dual box. Dual boxes are always 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Triple box here, triple box 1 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 3 goes there. More triple boxes, no. Quadra box, no. All right, so the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures. For example, the T constructions. We have a T. That means if you have a T construction, this digit is the same as that digit. This digit is the same as that digit. Here also we have a T construction. This digit is the same as that digit. This digit is the same as that digit. So here we have also T construction. Here we have a 1 here. So this digit is the same as that digit. So this should be a 1. And this digit is the same as that digit. Alright. T construction we have. And we have also this kind of construction. And so I've told you this box is the same as that box. This box is the same as that box. Okay. So this digit is the same as that digit. It's connected. Same. Do we have more? No. Then we have this kind of construction. You can rotate these shapes and it's still the same. Yeah. Okay. This digit is the same as that digit. Okay. Here we have it's the same like this one. So this digit is the same like this digit. It's connected. This one is the same like this one. So this digit is the same like this digit. Do we have more? No. And this kind of construction, this digit is the same as that digit. So we have a 1 and a 2. So this should be also 1 or a 2. Is connected. Yeah. Okay. Here we have the same. This digit is the same like this digit. So this should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 1. Okay. Do we have more? No. That's all. Yeah, that's all. Okay. Let me start with these two boxes cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here, because I've told you 1 and the 2, it's connected. So the 5 is missing here, so the 5 should be here or there. Alright, these two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Those two boxes cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. It's connected. We have a 4 here, so this should be also a 4. Okay, that means those two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah, alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. That means those two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, look, this is very complicated. Look. This T construction, this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be in one of those 3 boxes. The 1. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill anyone in one of those 3 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Alright. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. 1 and 2, 5. 1, 2, 4, 3 or 5. This box cannot be a 1. I have marked up with those two boxes with the 1. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4. So it's 3 or 5. 3 or 5. This box is also connected 3 or 5. 3 or 5, okay. It's not helping me. Alright. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, so it's 4 or 5. 4 or 5, but I have marked with those two boxes with the 4. So this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So it must be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 5. Yes. And this box is connected with that box, so this must be a 5. Okay. Now I have a 5 here, so I cannot place a 5. This box is 3 or a 5. I cannot place a 5 here, so this must be a 3. And this is connected with that box, so this should be also a 3. Okay. So 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 3 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 3. Okay. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. We already have a 3 there, so the 3 should be in one of those two boxes. Yeah. Okay. So we have here 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be 2 or 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in one of those two boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So it must be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. So this should be also a 5. Two boxes left, the 2 and the 3. So and this box is connected with that box. Also 2 and a 3. And we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3. This should be a 2. So this should be a 3. Oh, it's connected. It's connected. So I made a mistake. Let me correct this. This should be a 2 because it's connected. All right. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box with a 3, so this should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. So this T constriction, this should be a 1. And is this Y? Yes, this should be a 2. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 3. So those two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes as a pair here. The other pair should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. I have here double 3. That means I cannot place a 3 here. Otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 2. This should be a 3. Alright, now we have a 3 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 3. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Definitely a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 2. Let me mark those 2 and 4. That means I cannot place a 2 in one of those two boxes. I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 goes as a pair with the 4 in those two boxes. The other pair should be the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 here and it's connected with that box. So this should be also a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. And now, those two boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. Well, I have there double 2. That means that I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 1 and this should be a 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. Then. This box cannot be a 5. I have here double 5 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left in this W shape area. 1 and a 2. Let me mark those two boxes. 1 and a 2. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 4. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 3. Okay. Then yeah. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Oh, no, yeah. So 1 box left in this area for the number 2. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be a 2 or so. This should be a 1. Those 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right. Great Tectonic. And I've managed to solve this within 30 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased. Although it's 4 stars, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you the next time. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow with a new edition. Have a great day. Bye bye for now.